Hello guys, so this video I'm going to show you the output of my students in our subject. So gumawa sila ng upgraded na smart bin. Yung sa akin last time kasi medyo may kulang pa doon na feature. So sa kanilang ginawa is nagdagdag sila ng display or the LCD to display the status of the bin. So ayan, makikita nyo kung ano na yung status niya, is empty or full, and meron siyang level indicator, which is let's say ilang percent na full yung ating smart bin. So ang kanilang pangalan ng project is electronic bin. It's to say similar to my project last time, but sa kanila is ganun nga, nagdagdag sila ng display, tapos may level indicator, no? Ma-measure nila yung level ng basurahan. Once ma-detect ng sensor yung kung full na yung basurahan, mag-iilaw 'yon. Yan. Yan. So meron siyang percentage. Kanina is 80%. Ayun, 80%. So actually dapat mag 100% siya, no. So meron silang I mean hindi pa accurate masyado yung kanilang pag-detect ng level. Pero for the next upgrade, no, siguro lagyan natin ng additional feature or next improvement, which is mag-accurate talaga yung measurement. And ito yung kanilang yung ginamit sa loob, yung ultrasonic sensor, servo, and these are the developers, right? Thank you for watching. If you have comments or suggestions, please comment down below.